Hey there, facility managers. Ever feel like you're juggling a million things at once? From keeping your equipment running smoothly to ensuring everyone's safety. It's a lot, right? Well, today I've got something that could be a game changer for you. Let's talk about CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management Systems, and how they could be your secret weapon for risk management and disaster recovery. So, what exactly is a CMMS? In simple terms, it's a software that helps you manage maintenance activities. Think of it as your digital assistant that keeps tabs on all your assets, schedules preventive maintenance, and tracks work orders. Sounds handy, doesn't it? But here's where it gets real interesting. CMMS is not just about maintenance. It plays a crucial role in risk management and disaster recovery too. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a busy day, and suddenly a critical piece of equipment breaks down. Panic mode, right? With a CMMS, you can avoid such scenarios. How? By using predictive maintenance. The system analyzes data from your equipment and predicts when a failure might occur. This means you can fix issues before they become full-blown disasters. And let's not forget about compliance. Keeping up with safety regulations can be a headache, but a CMMS ensures all your maintenance activities are documented and compliant with industry standards. This reduces the risk of non-compliance penalties. Now, let's talk about disaster recovery. We all hope it never happens, but being prepared is key. A CMMS can store all your critical asset information and maintenance history in one place. So, if a disaster strikes, you have quick access to essential data. This speeds up the recovery process and minimizes downtime. Plus, many CMMS platforms offer mobile access. This means you can manage your maintenance tasks on the go. Whether you're on site or at home, all the information you need is at your fingertips. So, there you have it. CMMS is more than just a maintenance tool. It's your ally in risk management and disaster recovery. Ready to take your facility management game to the next level? Start exploring CMMS options today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more tips and insights to keep your facility running smoothly. Thanks for watching.